another day with May, and today we are making zucchini fries. All right, let's check out our ingredients for today. We've got a tablespoon of almond flour, your spray on oil, whatever that is, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, I'm using avocado, a little bit of salt, garlic powder, smoked paprika that will leave a really nice flavor, oregano, pepper, 2 eggs, 6 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, make sure it's the ground up kind, and last but not least, either 2 really small zucchinis like I have here or 1 medium zucchini, either one. All right, let's get cooking. All right, so I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've also chopped up my zucchini into little sticks. That's how I like them. Now it's time to add in our dry ingredients into the bowl, starting with our Parmesan cheese. Like I said, about 6 tablespoons of that. And 6. This is gonna give it a lot of flavor. Followed by your almond flour. This is gonna give it that kind of breading consistency, but you only need a tablespoon of that. Now, time to add in our spices. So this you can kind of get creative with and play around a little bit depending on your taste. So I like a lot of garlic powder, so I'm gonna really pour that in. Followed by a bit of pepper. Some oregano. And last but not least, that smoky paprika. Give it that little barbecue hint. Oh wait, I forgot the most important part, salt. That's a must. Now I'm not gonna put too much in the breading because I'm going to be adding there we go. I'm gonna be adding more on the top when they come out of the oven. All right, so now I'm gonna stir all this up and then we're gonna get our wash ready. Let's make our egg wash. First, you wanna crack your egg. All right, now you're gonna take your fork and whisk it all up. So the purpose of this egg wash is so you can dip the zucchini into the egg and then dip it straight into your breadcrumbing. And then it'll help stick to your zucchini, help the breadcrumbs stick to your zucchini when you bake it into the oven. It's a must. Grab your zucchini and dip it straight into your egg wash. Then with a separate hand, dip it into your breadcrumb. You don't want to be using your same fingers that you use in the egg wash with the breadcrumbs because then your fingers will get all gunky and then you'll end up making finger fries, and we're trying to make zucchini fries today. So once it's all breaded and crumbed the way you like it, put it directly onto your tray. All right, now I'm gonna take my avocado oil and spray the tops of my zucchini chips just to help them really crisp up. And I'm also gonna add my salt so it sticks to the zucchini fries. All right, now it's time to put them in the oven. We're gonna cook them for 10 minutes, then turn them over, and then cook them for another 5 minutes. Let's go do that now.
Do you want me to put it right here where there's more light?
They're so delicious. That flavor, it just hits you in the face, and you really feel like you're getting a nice, healthy, fry. The outside is crispy, the inside is kind of like a soft, gooey kind of texture, but it fits and it works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.